Good morning, photography fans. I just want to give you a quick tip today about shooting with flags. Now, have a look at the setup I've got going on here this morning. This is a basic 2-light setup. So I've got my key light, which is a beauty dish up here, and I've also got a fill light, which is on camera axis, looking straight down at the posing stool there. Now, I'll put 2 images up on screen. The first one here is just shot with the beauty dish, okay, pointing straight down, 45-degree angle, Rembrandt lighting, nothing special. And you can see that your eye naturally goes to the brightest part of the image, which in this case is my white shirt. It's just an off-white color shirt, but your eye naturally gravitates there. Now you could adjust that in post, of course, with dodging and burning or a gradient or something like that, right? But another way to sculpt light and be more efficient is to use flags. Now, I've got a simple piece of A1 foam core here. I purchased from an office supply store here in Melbourne, and it cost me all of 15 Australian dollars. And that's attached to my 20-year-old reflector stand, and I can just swing that in and I can position this anywhere I want it. Now what I'll do now is cut off or flag off just that little bit of light on the bottom of the beauty dish, and therefore take another shot, and you can see from this shot here that it is much more sculpted. The light is much more sculpted. Now with this technique I can take my portrait photography to the next level. It allows me to sculpt the light and place the light just where I want it on the subject. So I hope that little quick tip helps you guys today. Consider flagging. It'll really take your images to the next level.